right, so we're at a wood shop today and we have a problem of disorganization about tools. So before we used to hang them here in these pieces of wood. Now we have them on a rack here. This is going to organize the actual facility here so everybody can understand where all the tools, all the wrenches, not only that, the power tools. So later down the line, you can mark them, label them, keep them handy in place. You can come back to it, remodify it, and you can even expand this and add an additional rack space on it too. We don't discriminate with power tools. We got every single brand in here. If you guys can see, we could put our nails, our actually screws right on the top. Heavy duty, this could weigh up to almost 50 pounds. It depends on your backing, all right? If you have drywall, you make sure you have the drywall mounts. If not, just make sure you have a good pattern or a good piece of wood in the back to hold the weight because, of course, the batteries take a lot load. If you guys can see, very simple to install. On one side, we got our screwdriver set here. Now we got plenty of tools on the top. And you can even add additional power source right on the bottom to connect everything while it's charging. This could take, like I said, a lot of weight. It took us about 15 to 20 minutes to put together. It came with the tools. It came with an Allen wrench and also a wrench too. So very simple, easy to install. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.